guys, welcome to Bar Z. My name's Stan, and today we got a really short one, and it's brought to you by Springer Industrial over in Arizona. You know, they're in Chandler, Arizona. I'm going to drop a link below. So for all your spray equipment needs, go check them out, whether it be powder coating or liquid spray. They can help you out. I'll drop a link below to Springer Industrial. Give them a call. Today we're going to talk about exhaust filtration for liquid spray. And I've seen so many brands and so many people, and it's super common that people install their filters backwards. And most exhaust filtration is progressive. And when I say progressive, it starts off with a very coarse layer of filter, and it gets progressively finer on the way through the filter. And we're going to go out in the field, look at a brand new filter, and then we're going to look at a filter that got installed wrong and see what happens, and talk about why you shouldn't do that. Okay, good morning everybody. We're going to talk about exhaust filter media today. This is a fiberglass filter, and this is a roll media, and we're going to talk about the proper way to put it in. See, this has got kind of a bonded layer on one side, and the other side is very lofty and very open. But you can see that yellow part right there is kind of a bonded leading edge. Now, a lot of people say, well, I want the filter to be as efficient as possible, so they put the yellow side facing towards the overspray, and they pass air through it in this direction. That is not right. What you want to do is always put the denser side of the filter downstream of the filter, so that everything passes through here. And I'm going to tell you why. There's a phenomenon known as depth loading. You want to depth load your filters. You want it to use up the entire media, which increases its capacity, and it's going to give you a longer service life. I'm going to show you actually an example of a customer that put in their filters backwards. And this is a downdraft. This has roll media, this exact same roll media in the floor. I'm going to pull one of these floor grates and show you what happens when you put the filters in backwards. Let me get this grate out and I'll bring you right back. Okay, well, we pulled a filter, or pulled a floor grate out, one of these gratings, and I just got it standing up over there. But I'm going to pull this filter out and show you what happens when you run your filters backwards. There's the back side of the filter, very clean, no overspray in there, but this whole face of the filter is just clogged, and it's a very thin layer. You can see the yellow, and we call this face loading, and you basically cut your service life in half by running your filters backwards. They still work just fine, they're still just as efficient, they don't have the service life. All right, I thought I'd share that with you and show you what they are all about. But we're getting ready to get fresh filters in this thing and get him going again. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this short. It was that's the difference between face loading the filter and depth loading a filter. And in the absence of instructions, quite often these filters don't come with any installation instructions. You just need to know what to look for and take a good look at your filter and know and understand why it is the way it is. All right, so exhaust filtration is important. All right, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.